Hi guys, welcome to today's video. It's a chili con carne, British style. So a big difference from the traditional Mexican style. Right, here's what you will need. Right then, for this one, you'll need a can of chopped tomatoes, a can of red kidney beans, bell pepper, one large onion. I've got 500 grams of lean minced beef, and I've got 400 millilitres of beef stock, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree and a couple of chunks of chocolate, dark chocolate, 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. I've got a chilli here. I have got some more chilies as well, so about 1 to 2 red chilies and 2 fat cloves of garlic. Okay, first things first, I'm going to prepare all the veg and measure out the spices, and then we're going to brown the minced beef off. Okay, with the onion we want to just dice it up fine. So just small, finely diced pieces like that will be fine. Okay, with the bell pepper, I'm going to chop up into larger chunks. That size is ample. And just finely chop this up. Right, now for the chili. And just finely slice this up. And that's it, that's the veg prepared. Okay, so in a pan, I'm going to brown the minced beef off on a medium heat. Just going to put a little bit of olive oil in. And tip that straight in. So all we need to do is stay with this, brown it off, and any water or juices hopefully should evaporate, but if not, if yours a bit fattier and it's not evaporating, you can just drain it. So just be a little bit patient for it browning off. It'll take around 5 to 10 minutes, but it will get there just like this. Okay, so that's browned off. I'm now going to put that onto a plate and use the same pan to do the veg. Right, so I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil to the pan and add all the veg. That mix around, and we're going to cook this until the onions soften up, which can take around about 5 minutes. Okay, the onions have started to soften, so I'm going to add in all the spices and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree or tomato paste. Give that a mix, and we just want to cook that tomato puree for around about 2 minutes, just to get rid of the bitterness. Next, add in the minced beef. A can of chopped tomatoes. And the beef stock. Give it all a good mix. And that's it. We are going to leave this now to simmer for about 45 minutes, maybe 1 hour, until it all thickens up. And then at that point, we'll add the kidney beans and chocolate. So we'll see you in around 45 minutes. Alright guys, it's been 45 minutes. And that has thickened up lovely. Next, I'm going to add in the kidney beans. I've pre-cooked mine in a separate pan, but you can just pop them straight in here and then just leave it to cook for an extra 5 minutes to warm up. Well, warm the beans up. Before I add the chocolate, I'm just going to give this a taste test just to see what the difference is and if there is a lot of difference. Right, so ooh, that's already tasting great. But I'm just going to add in a couple of chunks of chocolate. And stir those in. So apparently adding the chocolate just kind of finishes it off and brings it all together. Just leave that a few more moments to let the chocolate melt in. Alright, now let's give it a taste test with the chocolate. Oh wow, that really does make a difference. I am absolutely surprised. I thought it was just a gimmick, but it does, it really finishes it off. Add a bit of salt to taste if you like, but I think that's fine. I'm not going to add any salt. Right, let's get this served up with some rice. Okay, taste test time. Get a bit of rice. Oh, that is so rich and full of flavour. One nice chili con carne. If you like your spicier, obviously you can add that extra chili, but that is just perfect for me. Let me know if you try it and leave a comment below, and we'll catch you in the next one. And as always, love you, bye.